Check this out. Crawled up into my own attic. I'm up here fishing some more coax to another satellite box. And God dang, it's already fucking hot up here. There's my unit. Everything looks normal here. It's all strapped up and everything till I get to this spot. We've been running our air for a couple weeks, maybe even longer. I don't know when this happened, but that can't be good. Holy crap, it has been apart for a good couple weeks. It's blasted itself a clean spot on the sheetrock. Believe it or not, the air hasn't been running excessively that we have noticed, but I'm not home all day long. A lot of times we turn it off at night still, if we can, but damn. It's all strapped up back there too. Just something happened right here. Freaking tape failed or something, so I gotta reconnect that shit. Fuck, it's a pain in the ass. I'm sweating my ass off. It's not even summer yet. Well, it's May. Alright, got that put together. It's a little bit of a bitch to crawl through these attics. I actually put in a nice, meaty, that's like a 20-inch return right there. This ain't no Chaz Roberts install, though. This is another company. This whole subdivision, except for this street, got Chainsaw Charlie installs with Goodman piece of shit heat pumps. Like my brother-in-law's that you hear rattling in the night. See if I can get up here without falling through my scuttle hole. That's my scuttle opening. Kind of sucks because the air handler's nice and close to it, but catwalk's almost useless. I put that seat right there when I first moved in so I could sit in front of the unit. So everything's still working. Boy, it says MacGyver put a variable speed and TXV in this. I wonder who that was. 2004, man, I almost forgot about that. It's 4 years it's been like this. Cooling just fine. TXV. I haven't really messed with anything else, but it seemed like they did a pretty decent job at sealing everything up. So, duct board. But it's sealed up. I'm not going to fix it because it doesn't seem to be broke. Hot as shit, so might get the fuck out of here. Okay, before I put this, close this back up. Let's see here. Just to get a little listen. Yeah, that's what a quiet air handler sounds like. I almost have to have this hatch open just to even hear that air handler run. Except there ain't no Goodman running up there. Yeah, quiet. Let's go look at, how about the outdoor unit? It's almost down the temperature. 92 outside. Okay. This backyard's my freaking zoo. What the bloody hell? Got tea brewing on my heat pump. That's the way an air handler should start. Condensing unit should sound. That's all factory. It's unmolested. Didn't do anything except for add the TXV and indoor blower inside. This is the 10-seer Ruud. This ain't even a high-end unit. Still major difference between the sound of something like this and a Goodman Desert Series heat pump. Night and day. That's my bedroom right inside that. Right between these two windows, right in the side of that disconnect, that's my headboard. I literally put my head 2-3 feet away from this unit. I could barely hear it run. I sleep right there. That heat pump's 2 feet outside that wall. Sometimes I can't even tell if it was running for sure, and I have to listen real carefully. And I got that tissue up there. I know usually you see that's something like an old man would do, but that's my custom CFM meter. It never wears out, never needs batteries. I could look up there and see if the unit's running.
What the bloody hell was that?